next time for another 100 Mondays. As you can see, the mural for Rohan is finally starting to get some paint in. I put in the sky, and I started the mountains in the background there from like this side as well as this side. And then next week, I started filling in the detail with the city up top, the castle, and the rocks. It's gonna be quite a project. So as you can see, it's just beginning, See you guys next time. Hey everybody, another 100 Mondays, and today what we have here is a 36 by 48 canvas that I'm going to be doing. I just started the Berenice's Tresses. It's a sculpture by Ambrosio Borgi, Italian. I believe it's from the 19th century. But anyway, as you can see, the details have begun with the hair. It's going to be in magenta. It's going to be a lot of pink, purple, a lot of funky color. So, but right now, like I said, it's just beginning. So, I'll see you guys next time.